Do you have any plans for the end of May? Then change them, because on May 23rd and 24th, Optica's Advanced Manufacturing Summit will be held at the headquarters of EVG in Austria. And what will we discuss? Where are we today in defining the best lithography process for the right optical shape or the right semiconductor shape? When should we use nanoimprint lithography? And what about deep UV? And what about going maskless? Where do we stand with ultra-high-resolution litho tools such as ebeam or two-photon polymerization? Well, the market has changed dramatically recently. Micro and meta optics made of polymer or glass could end up in harsh environments on a satellite, in a car, or running 24/7 in a data center operating at 80 degrees C, and even in your mobile phone, or helping our doctors look inside our bodies. The ultimate frontier is actually lightweight AR goggles. Advanced manufacturing is one of the most important topics of our industry right now, and that's why we are organizing a summit on this topic every year. On the first edition, we chose EVG as a host, and this is a very deliberate decision. EV Group is a leading semiconductor equipment manufacturer that has championed faster innovation by collaborating with companies like Nanoscribe, Incron, or Wave Optics. They are a perfect example of achieving faster success by collaborating. This is exactly what Optica stands for. And looking for new collaborations, here is a list of the great visionary speakers, all prepared to answer the Optica question: what can you do for others? And what can they do for you? Sorry, I don't have time to mention you all. Join Optica's manufacturing community at EVG's headquarters in Austria on May 23rd and 24th. Let's tackle together the challenges and move our industry forward.